Hey, let's do cash stuffing for the third week of September where I am using 1800 rupees. This is for only for a week and I am distributing these money in different categories which you will see now. The first category which I have is personal. For personal I am giving myself 200 rupees. For groceries I am giving myself 400 rupees. Then for the food or the dining out, I will be giving myself 300 rupees. For fruits and vegetables, I will be giving myself 350 rupees. For transportation or for the petrol cost, I will be giving myself 200 rupees. Then for beauty, I will be giving myself 250 rupees. And then the last category is buffer, which I am giving myself 100 rupees. So these are money for a single week, for the third week of September. Follow for more.